Hey, my friends. Last time I saw you, we worked on creating our dragons and we worked on our dragon heads. We're creating dragons for Chinese New Year because the dragons help to chase away the bad from the old year and bring in happiness and good luck for this year. So, to go along with our dragon heads, we are going to create the tail or the body of our dragon. So on your separate paper, and I'm going to do it on this same paper in case you drew your dragon head where there would be room. We're going to work on this together. So to start with, because my dragon body is very serpentine, I'm going to go all the way from one side down to the other, and I'm going to make a snake-like body from my tail coming back up. So I have the pointed tail and the body of my dragon. Now, from here, we're going to add some feet. So our dragon feet, we're going to pick one side. If I add one line, is that going to be enough to hold my dragon up? It is not. So we are going to add both lines, one for each side of the leg. And then we're going to add our dragon's foot. Now you might want toes or claws, it's up to you. So once we've done one leg, we're going to hop to the other side. On the other side of our dragon, we're going to add another leg. Both lines for the leg, and then our toes or dragon claws for our feet. Now you get to decide, do you want to add more legs? Are you happy with 2 legs? Go ahead if you would like to add more legs to your dragon and work your way down your dragon's body to add the different legs and feet that you would like to. Once we're done with our dragon's feet and legs, we're going to come to the tail. And we're going to think about what types of spikes or scales or fins we want to add to each side of our tail. These are going to be places we can go ahead and color in and add different designs. I'm going to add them to both sides of my tail. Now, when you're done with the spikes on the back, we need to think about our dragon's body. On the body of our dragon, we want to make sure that we can go ahead and include our different scales. So our scales could be round, or they could be pointed. It's up to you. Again, these are different parts where we will be able to go in and add color to decorate our dragon. So as we've gone through, we did our dragon body. We added our legs and feet. However you wanted, you could add 2 or 4 or more. We worked on the spikes and the scales along the tail and the scales on our dragon body. Now you are ready to color in your dragon's tail and add your own decorations. If you drew your dragon head on one piece of paper like this and you would like to go ahead and draw your dragon body here, we can do that. So it's going to be different because we're kind of looking at the side of our dragon instead of the top or the bottom. So for my dragon body, again, it's still serpentine. So I'm going to go from my head and snake it all the way down to the opposite side because I want to take up as much room as I can. Now with my dragon body, I'm going to copy it. I'm doing a triangle shape. Again, it comes to a point, but there's my dragon's body and tail. The legs are going to be the same. As we add our legs, 2 lines, and then the foot. our 2 lines, and then our dragon's foot. Now when I add the spikes and scales and fins along the back of my dragon, I may do just one side, or you can come on both sides. It's up to you. Then we still have the body of our dragon to add in our scales. Some of them, remember, might be pointy or rounded. We can even mix them up if we want them to be different ones. And we can go in and go ahead and add our color. So here is our dragon if you did it all on one page, or if you did your dragon on 2 pages, we'll be able to go ahead and put it together, and that's what we'll work on next time, along with adding different spikes. So next time, we're going to cut out some of our spikes to add those decorations to our dragons. All right, guys, have fun.